first crash.
Workout resumed.
I'm going over roots. And of course I cut my leg. I'm bleeding, of course. Oh, Rudy. That was tough roots.
Workout resumed.
Oh, no, puddle. Oh, shit. I'm gonna have to walk it over this. Oh, no, that's a dead end. Oh. That goes right to the boardwalk area, I think.
Workout resumed.
Okay, here we go. That's better. Oh boy. Alright, I learned my lesson. I'll walk over these roots. I could probably, this area is not too bad right here. But man, yeah. I don't really, I guess this is it. Okay, oh my god, okay. There's a big hump here, I better walk this.
Workout resumed.
A lot of roots.
Workout paused.
A lot of roots. Well, at least I had got my first wipeout out of the way. It's really a wipeout.
Workout resumed.
Alright. I think I'll go back onto the road. This trail's a little hairy. Oh my god, that was the wetlands walk. Holy shit. On your left. Thank you. This is where I came in. Okay, yes. Well, yeah, this is where I came in. Turned right, now I'm going left. At the campground and tent sites. Let's look at my buddy. There's the damage. All right.